I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video, I'm going to be using the Bejewelled. These are not the Bejewelled micro shards. These are just the micro shards, but the ones that I actually do use under this nail demo are the Bejewelled micro shards. But they come in, as you can see, 6 different colours, and they are available now on the website. I absolutely love them so freaking much. So I'm also going to be using the Art inks, and this is in pink and I believe aqua. Honestly, this look is so simple and easy to achieve that I really wanted to just share it with you guys as a short demo. So as you can see, I've already gone ahead, I've finished my nail completely. The only thing I haven't done is applied any top coat. So I've buffed it smooth, but not too smooth, just a little bit smooth. And then I'm coming in with the inks and basically painting it on like a gel polish or a nail polish, just super thin. And this is a perfect way of creating jelly nails, tinted nails, glass nails, or anything like that without adding any extra bulk as a gel polish would. So you could do a clear acrylic set and then come in with your inks to create that jelly kind of vibe without adding any extra thickness or losing the shape of your enhancements. And I thought that this was a super cool hack to creating amazing easy glass or jelly nails, especially with those micro shards underneath. You'll see when I apply the top coat that they just come to life. It looks so freaking stunning. So I'm just placing more of that ink on where I want it, just really kind of playing around with it. It can take a while to get used to it. I didn't use any of the blend it for this look. I literally just used the inks. So once I'm happy with my ink placement, I'm coming in with Super Gloss Top Gel, and this is a no wipe top coat, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply it over the entire nail, making sure to seal in all of the edges so that we don't get any peeling, chipping or lifting of the top coat. And then I'll cure it in the light for 60 seconds, and don't apply any cuticle oil or anything like that just until that gel has cooled, because that can make it go a little bit dull. Look how gorgeous. It looked even better in person. I tried to get some good pictures as well, so I'll share those with you too. So this is the final result, and honestly, I freaking loved it. This in a rainbow set would look so freaking bomb. I might just have to try it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and always remember that you are bomb.com. Lit as fuck, and don't ever let anyone tell you any different, because you've got this, and I love you. Mwah. Bye!
I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.